What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan checking in from the rideshare panel, and today we're looking at some secrets that you may not know about delivering with Instacart. So personally, I've been delivering for a while. I have talked to some of the pros, guys and girls that have been delivering with Instacart for a long time, and I had to work real hard to get these tips out of them. Honestly, I thought about not sharing them with you guys because some of these are really good. But I'm feeling nice today, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys in on some of these secret tips. And then it's up to you. You can keep it to yourself, keep it a secret, or let your friends know and spread the love. Either way, check out this full list. And if you haven't signed up for Instacart yet, you can go ahead and use my link down below. And there may even be a sign up bonus for you. Make sure that you write these down and get them in your head, because if you're just starting out with Instacart, these are gonna save you so much time, so much energy, and make your job a ton easier. The Instacart app sometimes tells you which aisle you can find products on for certain grocery stores, but not all grocery stores will give you this. Some other grocery stores like Fred Meyer are very large and can be difficult to navigate. So download the Fred Meyer app, and you can use this app to search for products, and the app will let you know exactly where to find them in the store. If possible, park near a cart rack. This is going to save you a ton of time when you're picking up your groceries and when you're leaving the grocery store. If you can't find the right size item, quickly replace it with a smaller item. Don't waste much time on this, and the same goes for fruits and vegetables. If they don't weigh in at the right weight, make sure to quickly grab a different weight. The customer usually will understand. Don't accept all orders with Instacart. If a grocery store is too far away or the customer's address is too far away, it may not be worth your time to drive that far. Know the store layout that's specific to the chain you're at. For example, at this chain, beer is often right across from water and other drinks. Use voice to text when you're communicating with customers in the app. Talking with your customers is a great way to increase tips, and it's also a great way to keep your customers happy. Voice to text can allow you to still use your hands and be navigating around the store while you're talking with them. This keeps your order speed up and lets you get done faster. Moving faster is going to save you time, and a faster speed is going to help you get more batches. Invest in a portable battery charger for your phone. I can't tell you how many times I've been shopping with Instacart and my phone's either been about to die or has actually died on me. This is going to slow down your order speed and make shopping take a whole lot longer. But if you have a charger on you, you never run into that problem, and the process speeds up tremendously. Find a spot to park your cart and then use a small hand basket like this. You can use this hand basket to ferry groceries back to your cart, and that way you're not moving around with a huge cart and you can move a little bit faster. Park yourself and wait near a popular grocery store. This is going to increase your likelihood of getting more orders because you're in the right spot where there's high demand. Use item photos to help you search and reference colors of products. That way you're not looking for specific product names. You'll want to save your deli orders until after you've hit go to checkout and entered all your receipt information. That way these orders don't count against your average batch time. Don't hit the swipe to delivery button until you're done checking out with this and already heading out to your car. This button lets customers know that you're done picking up and heading to them, but you don't want to let them know until you're actually ready to head to them. That way you cut down that time and make it seem like you're getting to your customer faster. When you're dropping off your groceries for the customer, take a minute to chat it up with them. Ask them how their day's going. Watch your tips increase dramatically when you start doing this. If the customer isn't there when you're trying to drop off the groceries, go ahead and take a step back and then take a photo of the groceries by the front door in your Instacart app. This will let the customer know that the groceries were delivered, and it'll also leave proof to customer support that the delivery was made. You're gonna save yourself a lot of time doing this, and saving time means making more money per hour. Store your groceries in the main cabin of your car as opposed to the trunk. The main cabin is climate controlled, which is going to keep your groceries at the right temperature, while the trunk is not. Ultimately, this will lead to more tips and better ratings from your customers. Invest in a cooler for colder items, and for hotter items, get yourself a heat bag. If you've ever delivered for another food delivery app, you probably already have one of these laying around. Alright, that wraps up the list of the best secrets for Instacart shoppers. If you have anything you'd like to add to the list, feel free to do that down below in the comment section. I always love hearing from you guys, and I always love getting a conversation going. As always, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel to get all of the latest rideshare news and side hustle updates.